Good morning students, once again welcome to you in DSS online classes. Myself Saroj Srivastava and today I am going to start rest part of the chapter 6 Every Drop Counts. Students, in this video we will discuss about three topics. First, Jal boards, Darki Mai and sources of water. Students, as you know, water is a precious for all of us. Everybody getting enough water to survive their life or even to drink are their daily routine. Jal board. What is a jal board? Students, jal board is a board that provide water of each house of its area. For this, it charge some money. All the people who use this water pay a certain money in a year. This will mention students, all of you see a receipt given for Delhi Jal boards. This receipt mention payable person name and money that are given. Delhi Jal board is a government agency responsible for supply of potable water to most of the national capital territory region to Delhi, India. Now students, our second topic is Darki Mai. Darki Mai is a woman that live in a Alwar district of Rajasthan. As you know, in Rajasthan, the rain is very little, so the problem of water is in this village also. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their home and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the wells for the animals. In summer, when the well are dry up, they had to leave the village. Darki Mai asked the Tarun Bharat Sangh group for help them. Tarun Bharat group, what is a Tarun Bharat group? Tarun Bharat group work hard to bring water to the people of different area. The people from this group and village decided to make a lake in the Darki Mai village and the problem are solved. Now people of this village earn more money. Now students, our third topic is sources of water. Students, as you know, there are different sources of water. Rainwater, ponds, river, canal, tap, bowls, lake, etc. are the sources of water. Rainwater is the main sources of water. In this topic, we will discuss about different sources of water. See in the picture given in your book and we will discuss about this. Now students, see in this picture, here is the given some sources of water. In the first picture, now the tap is also the sources of water. People store the water in a tank and use that from the tap. Third picture, all of you see where a given pump directly in the Jal board pipeline and store water in a tank and then they use. In village area students, nowadays also the well is the sources of water. When the nearby well are dry up, people go to the other well for the water. And some castes are not allowed to take water from the well. Bore well is also the sources of water. Some people put up a motor to pump and get water from the bore well. And now in this picture, some people store water in a tank and use the whole day from the tap. Students, now hand pump is also the sources of water. In village area also use, people get water from the hand pump. When the hand pump gets salty water, they buy the water for drinking. And canal is also the sources of water. All you see in Rajasthan and other places of India, canal is also sources of water. So all of you see the few sources of water. I hope all of you understood very well. Thank you.